What do you think? What do you think? Keegan, what do you think? Oh, look at that. Zoe. What do you think, Keegan? You gonna roll? Is today gonna be the day you're gonna roll? What do you think? Go, go. You're just gonna fly. Oh my gosh, almost. Oh, you were so close, buddy.